Dear Dr. Lopez, I need your help when I love I have problems with eating habits. Used to eat fat foods and sandwiches. I do not like vegetables or fruits, which I do not eat from time to time. Yet a fruit is frequent when food more. Today but at the time have stomach infection. I am person with extra pounds. I don't like my body at age because I can no longer fit clothes in my size. What can I do now? Can you help me please? Hello, fear of age, good afternoon. I'm Dr. Lopez, a student in the Faculty of Medicine. Therefore, what I would read to you is very serious. Have problems that why many people have ketopor nutrition. Of course, certain cowhouse serums have problems with its society and even at work. One of those problems is carrying from small children to the large with a different various types of diseases caused by poor nutrition. For example, diabetes. Diabetes causes the body to have too much sugar in the blood, causing several diseases. They might inhibit the low production of the hormone insulin. Also, it is more serious if it starts when the person is young. However, it is more common in people over 40 years of age, usually with overweight limits the consumption of surface fat and alcohol, incorporate fruits and vegetable oils for into your diet and it is much purpose. Osteoporosis. The disease is the product of a diet rich in the sugar, refined and fatty. To prevent its passage is best to consume for rich calcium and other processed foods. Colon cancer. There is a line between colon cancer and diet close. For 10 reasons, it is also common that diet based on excess fat and low fiber content increases the risk of colon and stomach cancer. Obesity and obesity. The main cause of poor diet is weight gain due to with food intake excess the amount necessary for the body, especially in regards to fats, sugar, and flour. This is one of the most current diseases in growth. In addition to the aim to eat level of heart risk, arterial hypertension. Excess fat and sat in the diet can cause hypertension arterial, elevated presumed presence, poor blood circulation, resulting in that can lead to cardiovascular accidents with consequences that include heart attacks or strokes. Eat foods that include sources of potassium, calcium, magnesium, fiber, and lexosis. Hypercholesterolemia. Hypercholesterolemia is a disease caused by the high level of cholesterol, which is found in food animal origin such as meat, egg, butter, and dairy. In addition, this disease damages the arteries, favorites the papers or atherosclerosis, which in the long run can lead to a heart attack. Cavities. Oral teeth is closely linked to health habits and hygiene. A combustion of food is rich in sugar, fat, carbohydrates, characterized with poor hygiene. Cardiovascular disease. Por 10 always has cardiovascular consequences. The excess fat causes an increment in heart children, in addition to fear and almost the same risk for heart disease, a stroke with unfortunate consequences. What can prevent it? It is important to avoid consuming too much sugar, concentrated fats or starch, and to increase your intake of fruits, vegetables, and fiber. In addition, it is necessary to avoid certain liability to reduce the risk of joint diseases related to dairy factors. 7 tips to have a healthy life. Eat a balanced diet a wide variety of food in consistent on colors, inclusive fruit and vegetables. They provide the body with fiber, proteins, iron, and carbohydrates necessary for its proper function. These they are from hat providing nutrients which are contain a high number of calories, but quantities should not exceed when diet is not necessary for good health are like. It is better what you cook. The abuse of reality makes it not recommendable to push a high diet if you substitute 8 hours purging practice dishes you wish consume fresh and healthy food each fewer calories. You can also give your personal touch using aromatic herbs and spices to your meals. Eliminate junk food from your diet. This type of food is rich calories and has large amounts of starch, sugar, fat, chemical prevented which damage heart effect or chance ache and it can increment cancer. Remember to stay hydrated. One of my problems of overeating people is to do with water. The most common is the reports to carrot drink, perceptive whiskey or bacteria which contain a sugar. If you drink water throughout the day, you stay hydrated and purify the body toxic accumulate before it someday bite with hunt. You have to be brave. Eliminate brave can be common participate in many people what while they have the lows K and is the opposite. Respect my teams. To avoid famine into unte tempoti is important that you eat your meat your good have stand a mid-morning and mid-afternoon for the you comes fruits long for your cake in chance both meal and snack you would be prepared to meet your next avoid consuming sugar fat. Get busy activity. I started this way is only all my cause of obesity of the weight or overweight included physical in weight routine start one where we die and gradually introduce other exercises, other sports. If you complete the sport with good diet, you will see how you heal health. Thus, I hope and this information help you somatic and for anything else harm. Where are you so? Eso es todo. Hasta luego. Bye.